Dear students, in the previous session, we discussed some problems related to the section formula as well as the midpoint formula. So, in this session also, we are going to solve some more problems. So, this is exercise problems. So, look at the problem. If A and B are -2 and 2 -4 respectively, find the coordinates of P such that AP equal to 3/7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. Understand the question correctly. So, here given, find the coordinates of the point P. So, what is the ratio? So, ratio given AP equal to 3/7 AB. So, here a line segment AB is the line segment. So, the coordinates of the 2 points A and B, that is given -2 and -2. So, the coordinates of the point B 2, -4. Find the coordinates of the point P such that AP equal to 3/7 AB and P lies on the line segment AB. So, point P lies on AB. We have to find the coordinates of the point P. So, let the coordinates of the point P, that is x, y. We have to find the coordinates of point P or x value as well as the y value. But what is the ratio given? AP equal to 3/7 AB. So, AP equal to 3/7 of AB. Total AB equal to 7. In that AB is 3 units. So, here 3. So, what about the remaining? Remaining is 4. So, total 3 plus 4 equal to 7. So, in that 3 part AP and PB equal to 4. So, therefore, AP equal to 3/7 AB. So, this is the given condition. P lies on AB or the ratio AP is to PB equal to, so the ratio 3 is to 4, or P divides the line segment AB internally in the ratio 3 is to 4. So, it is clear, P divides AB in the ratio 3 is to 4 internally. So, we have to find the coordinates of the point P of x, y. So, let the first coordinate point -2, -2. So, this is x1, y1, and the second coordinate point 2, -4. So, let us consider x2, y2, and the ratio also given 3 is to 4. So, m is to n equal to 3 is to 4. So, we have to find the coordinates of the point P. So, P of x, y. So, we have to find the coordinates of the point P. So, by using the section formula, so what is section formula? P of x, y equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. So, this is the x coordinate, and y coordinate my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now, substitute the values. So, P of x, y equal to mx2 plus nx1. So, what is the value of m? So, here m equal to 3 and n equal to 4. So, mx2 means 3 into x2 value. So, x2 value is 2 plus n value 4 into x1. So, x1 value -2 divided by 3 plus 4 m plus n. my2 plus ny1, m value 3 into y2. So, y2 value -4 plus n value 4 into y1. y1 is -2 divided by 3 plus 4. So, on simplification, so we get the value of P of x, y, or the coordinates of the point P. So, equal to 3 into 2, 6, look at the sign here, plus into minus. So, plus into minus, minus, 4 into 2, 8, divided by 3 plus 4, 7. 3 into minus 4, so sign here plus, here minus, plus into minus, minus, 4 into 3, 12. So plus into minus, minus. 4 into 2, 8. So divided by 7. 6 minus 8. So bigger number sign minus. So minus 2 divided by 7. So here minus 12 minus 8. Minus 12 minus 8 minus 20 divided by 7. So these are the coordinates of the point P of x comma y. So what is the question given? Find the coordinates of the point P. P lies on AB. It divides AB in the ratio 3:4 internally. So the coordinates of the point P of x comma y is minus 2 by 7, minus 20 by 7. So the next question, find the coordinates of the points of trisection. What is the meaning of trisection? So trisection means that is points dividing in 3 equal parts. So that is a trisection. Tri means 3. Of the line segment joining the points A 2 minus 2 and B minus 7 4. So we have to find the coordinates of the points of the trisection. Trisection means 3 equal parts. So here the line segment AB. AB is the line segment. So A and B. So the coordinates of the point A, that is 2 minus 2, and the coordinates of the point B minus 7 4. So what is the question? Find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Points dividing in 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts means, so let P and Q. Let P and Q are the 2 points on the line segment AB. Trisection points. Now the line segment is divided into 3 equal parts. Which are the equal parts? AP equal to PQ equal to QB. So in the question given that points dividing in 3 equal parts. So the equal parts are AP equal to PQ equal to QB. We have to find the coordinates of the points of trisection. Means find the coordinates of the point P and then find the coordinates of the point Q. How to find the coordinates of the point P? First one, point P. Here the coordinates of the point A given and the coordinates of the point B given. So what is the ratio? So here the 1 unit, here the 2 units, or the ratio, it divides AB, P divides AB in the ratio 1:2 internally. So therefore, so the coordinates of the point A, P, Q, B, first find the coordinates of the point P, correct? And then find the coordinates of the point Q. How to find the coordinates of the point P? Let us consider the 2 coordinates point A and B ratio 1:2 internally. So the coordinates of the point A, 2 minus 2. So consider x1, y1. And the second coordinate point minus 7, 4. So this is x2 and y2. x2 and y2. And then what is the ratio? It divides, P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. Why it is 1:2? First here the 1 unit and next one is 2 units. So the ratio 1:2 or M is to N equal to 1:2. It divides, P divides AB in the ratio 1:2. So we have to find the coordinates of the point P. So the coordinates of the point P, P of x comma y, by using the section formula mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now next substitute the values equal to mx2 plus nx1. Here the m value is 1 into x2. So x2 value is minus 7. Plus n value, so here the n value is 2 into x1, so x1 value 2 divided by m plus n 1 plus 2, comma, my2 plus ny1. So m value 1 into y2. So y2 value 4 plus n value 2 into y1. So y1 is minus 2 divided by m plus n, 1 plus 2. Next, so simplify, equal to 1 into minus 7, that is minus 7. So plus 4 divided by 1 plus 2, 3. Here 1 into 4, 4, plus into minus, minus 2 into 2, 4 divided by 1 plus 2, 3. So which is equal to minus 7 plus 4. Minus 7 plus 4, that is minus 3 divided by 3. 4 minus 4 is 0 by 3. So which is equal to 3 ones are 3 ones are. So minus 1, 0 by 3 means 0. So this is the coordinates of the point P, x, y. So P of x, y. Coordinates of the point P is minus 1, 0. Find the coordinates of the points of the trisection. Trisection means it divides line segment in the 3 equal parts. So we get the coordinates of the point P. Next we have to find the coordinates of the point Q. How to find the coordinates of the point Q? This can be done by 2 ways. In the first method, the coordinates of the point Q means Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:1, means here the 2 units, 1, 2, here 1 units, means 2:1. Or in other words, one more method, Q is the midpoint of BP. Clear? Q is the midpoint of BP. By using the midpoint formula, we can find the coordinates of the point Q. So the first method, Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1 internally. So therefore the coordinates of the point A, 2, minus 2, let us consider as x1, y1. And the coordinates of the point B, minus 7, 4. So this is x2, y2. And find the coordinates of the point Q, but Q divides AB in the ratio 2:1. So m is to n equal to 2:1. By using the section formula, so section formula, P of x, y equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Now substitute the values. mx2, so here the m value 2 into x2 value minus 7 plus n value 1 into x1 value 2. So divided by 2 plus 1. my2 plus ny1, m value 2 into y2, so y2 is 4 plus n value is 1 into y1 is minus 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Now simplify. So we get minus into plus, minus 2 into 7, 14 plus 2 into 1, 2 divided by 2 plus 1, 3. 4 into 2, 8 plus into minus, 2 into 1, 2 divided by 3 equal to minus 14 plus 2. Minus 14 plus 2 is minus 12 by 3. Here 8 minus 2, 6 by 3. Now divide 3 ones are 3 fours are, 3 ones are 3 twos are. So equal to minus 4, 2. So this is the coordinates of the point Q of x, y. Q of x, y is minus 4, 2. So the coordinates of the point P, minus 1, 0. Coordinates of the point Q, so Q of x, y. Coordinates of the point Q, that is minus 4 comma 2. So these are the 3 trisection points or the trisection points. Trisection means points dividing in 3 equal parts. So this is the by using the section formula. Or one more method, by using the midpoint formula we can find the coordinates of the point Q. Q divides PB. Q divides PB in the equal ratio. Why? Because PQ equal to QB. PQ equal to QB. Or so here AP equal to PQ equal to QB. So this is the condition. Trisection. Trisection means equal parts. Or Q is the midpoint of PB. Or Q is the midpoint of PB, coordinates of the point P, coordinates of the point P, that is minus 1, 0. Let us consider x1, y1, and the coordinates of the point B, that is minus 7, 4, x2, y2. X2, Y2. By using the midpoint formula, so midpoint formula P of x comma y is x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. So now substitute the value P of x comma y. Listen carefully. So P of x comma y means that is a midpoint. So midpoint means Q of x comma y. So x2 plus x1. So here the x2 value is minus 7. Plus x1 value is minus 1 divided by 2 equal to y2 plus y1. y2 is 4 plus y1 is 0 divided by 2. Now simplify. So minus 7 plus into minus. Look at the sign. Plus into minus is minus 1. So divided by 2. So 4 by 2. So equal to minus 7 minus 1 minus 8 by 2. 4 by 2. Now simplify. 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 1s are 2 2s are. So equal to minus 4 2. So this is the coordinates of the point Q of x comma y. Just look at the answer. So Q of x comma y minus 4 comma 2. So here also minus 4 comma 2. So you may use any one of the method, either using the section formula or by using the midpoint formula we can find the trisection point. So here find the coordinates of the points of the trisection. So therefore the trisection points are, last you have to write, therefore the trisection points are minus 1 0 and 4 comma 2. So I think it is clear. Next we pass on to the next question. If the points A 6 1, B 8 2, C 9 4 and D P comma 3. So here the P variable are the vertices of a parallelogram taken in order. Find the value of P. So these are the vertices of a parallelogram. Just to recall the properties of the parallelogram. A, B, C, D. In general, A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. What are the, just to recall the properties of the parallelogram? Opposite sides are equal and parallel. In the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. And one more important property of the parallelogram. So in the diagonal AC and diagonal BD. AC and BD, so these diagonals bisect each other. Bisect each other means, so these are equal. Suppose, so this point is O, AO equal to OC, DO equal to OB, or in other words, O is the midpoint DB and O is the midpoint of AC. So therefore, in a parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. So here the 4 coordinate points are given. So these are the vertices of the parallelogram. Taken in order, find the value of P. So we know that in a parallelogram the diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other means so that is a midpoint. O is the midpoint of diagonal AC as well as the BD. The coordinates of the midpoint of AC equal to coordinates of the midpoint of BD. So this is the condition. I think it is clear. The coordinates of the midpoint of AC is the diagonal, equal to coordinates of the midpoint of the diagonal BD. How to find the coordinates of the midpoint? You know the midpoint formula. So coordinates of the midpoint equal to x2 plus x1 by 2, y2 plus y1 by 2. So this is the midpoint formula. So first find the coordinates of the midpoint of AC. Coordinates of the midpoint of AC. How to find the coordinates of the midpoint AC? So here first AC. In that coordinates of the point A. Point A is 6, 1, and coordinates of the point C, that is 9, 4. So let us consider the first coordinate point x1, y1 and the second coordinate point x2, y2, AC. And next one is BD. In that coordinates point B is 8, 2 and D is P, 3. So this is x1, y1 and next one x2, y2. So the coordinates of the midpoint of AC. AC means x2 plus x1. So x2 is 9 plus x1 is 6 divided by 2, comma y2 plus y1 4 plus 1 divided by 2 equal to, why it is equal? Because the coordinates of the point AC diagonal and the coordinates of the midpoint of BD. Then find the coordinates of the midpoint of BD. Same formula, x2 plus x1. So here the x2 value is P plus x1 is 8 divided by 2, comma y2 plus y1, y2 3 plus 2 divided by 2. Now simplify. 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is 15 divided by 2, comma 4 plus 1, 5 divided by 2 equal to P plus 8 divided by 2, 3 plus 2, 5 divided by 2. X in the form of x comma y. Here also x comma y. Just look at the value of the y. 5 by 2 equal to 5 by 2. So therefore x is also equal 15 divided by 2 equal to p plus 8 divided by 2. So these are equal. Next find the value of p. Here the denominator is the same. So eliminate the denominator value. So we get the value of p, or in other words cross multiply 15 into 2 equal to 2 into p plus 8. 15 into 2 is 30 equal to 2 into p, 2p plus 2 into 8, that is 16. How to find the value of p? Transpose the constant term to the left hand side. 13 minus 16 equal to 2p. 13 minus 16 equal to 14 equal to 2p. So therefore the value of p is 14 by 2, or p equal to 7. So this is the value of the p. So p equal to 7. What is the question given? 4 vertices of the parallelogram given. In order, find the value of p. So what is the value of p here? P is 7. So I think understood the problem. See the next question. So this is the exercise problem. Find the area of a rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. Understand the question correctly. Find the area of a rhombus. Find the area of a rhombus. You have to know the formula to find the area of the rhombus. What is the formula to find the area of the rhombus? You already learnt in your previous classes. So find the area of the rhombus if its vertices, so the 4 vertices are given. So see here. So ABCD is a rhombus. AC and BD are the diagonals. ABCD is a rhombus and AC and BD are the diagonals. What are the properties of the rhombus? So the properties of the rhombus: opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides, AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD, and all the sides are equal. In the rhombus, all the sides are equal. Diagonals bisect each other. So find the area of the rhombus if its vertices are 3, 0, 4, 5, minus 1, 4 and minus 2, minus 1 taken in order. What is the formula to find the area of the rhombus? Area of the rhombus equal to A equal to half into D1 into D2. So this is the formula to find the area of the rhombus, or in other words, half into D1 means D2 andre product of its diagonals, one and the same. So this is the formula, either this formula or in this formula, one and the same. A equal to half into D1 into D2, or half into product of its diagonals. What to do? So first find the D1. D1 means first diagonal and D2 means second diagonal. AC, first find AC. How to find AC? Just think over it. AC means distance between A and C. Distance between A and C. Next find D2, second diagonal. Distance between B and D. How to find the distance? By using the distance formula. What is the distance formula? D equal to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So that is the distance formula. So by distance formula, we find the distance between A and C, then B and D. Next substitute the value of D1 and D2 in the formula. A is equal to half into D1 into D2. So we get the area of the rhombus. Let the coordinate points. So the point A is 3, 0 and point B 4, 5 and point C minus 1, 4, D minus 2, minus 1. So here AC and BD are the diagonals. So the diagonal AC, so the distance. AC means the coordinates of the point A is 3, 0 and the coordinates of the point C is minus 1, 4. So this is x1, y1 and next one is x2, y2. x2, y2. By using the distance formula. So what is the distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So equal to x2 minus x1 whole square. Here the x2 value is minus 1 minus x1 value is 3 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. y2 is 4 minus y1 is 0 whole square. So which is equal to minus 1 minus 3. Minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4 whole square plus 4 minus 0 4 square. So which is equal to minus 4 whole square minus 4 into minus 4. Minus 4 into minus 4, that is 16 plus 4 square 16, which is equal to square root of 32. Square root of 32. So 32 is not a perfect square number, but we can write the 32 as a product of perfect square number as well as non-perfect square number. So how to write the root 32? Root 32 means 16 into 2. So 16 is a perfect square number, but 2 is not a perfect square number. So 16 into 2. So what is the square root of 16? 16 is 4. Square root of 16 is 4 root 2. So this is answer, 4 root 2. So AC means diagonal, first diagonal. And next find the second diagonal. So diagonal BD. So diagonal BD equal to, what is the formula? Distance formula, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So here the coordinate points are B. So the coordinates of point B is 4, 5 and D. Coordinates of the point D minus 2, minus 1. So let us consider the first coordinate point x1, y1 and the second coordinate point x2, y2. So next substitute the values. Square root of x2 minus x1 whole square. x2 is minus 2 minus x1 is 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square minus 1 minus 5 whole square. So which is equal to square root of minus 2 minus 4 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5, that is also minus 6 whole square. So equal to square root of minus 6 whole square, minus 6 into minus 6, minus 6 into minus 6, that is plus 36. Here also minus 6 whole square, 36, equal to square root of 36 plus 36 is 72. 72 is not a perfect square number. But how to write 72 as a product of perfect square as well as non-perfect square number? Equal to square root of 36 into 2. 36 into 2 is 72. 36 is a perfect square number. So 36, take the square root. Square root is 6 root 2 units. 6 root 2. So this is the diagonal second BD. What is the question given? Find the area of a rhombus. Find the area of a rhombus if the vertices are given, taken in order. So the first diagonal, that is 4 root 2, and the second diagonal 6 root 2. Find the area of the rhombus. What is the formula to find the area of the rhombus? Just recall the formula. Area equal to half into d1 into d2, or area equal to half into product of its diagonals. So area of the rhombus. So area of the rhombus equal to half into product of its diagonals. Product of its diagonals equal to half into product of its diagonals. So 4 root 2 into, and one more diagonal 6 root 2. So equal to 2 1s are 2 2s are. So here the coefficient is 2, here the coefficient is 6. Now multiply the coefficient. 6 into 2, 12. Root 2 into root 2, third. So multiply the third. Root 2 into root 2, that is root 4, equal to 12 into square root of 4. What is the answer? Square root of 4 is 2. So equal to 12 into 2, 24 square units. 24 square units. So this is the area of the rhombus. So area of the rhombus is 24 square units. So I think it is clear. So students, I'll end up today's class. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you one and all.